TESA-HITE height gauges have a built-in function for determining the diameter and centerline of a bore. Let's take a look. Once your TESA-HITE is set up in Start 2 mode and you set your datum point, move the probe into position in the bore you wish to measure. For this demonstration, I will start at the bottom and move the probe head down onto the measuring surface until the display changes to sweep mode. Now, sweep the bottom surface and the gauge will beep when it has captured the low point of the bore. Next, move to the top and once again sweep the inside of the bore until the gauge beeps. Upon releasing the probe head, your centerline measurement is displayed. Simply press the F3 key to see the diameter of the bore.